Ublaloatak, Kanuik Pizzy. Today is Wednesday. What day? All day today, let's be always do cooperate and let's treat with respect, including today we're going to do something that puts together a lot of pieces of things we've worked on for the past few weeks. The activity we're going to do today involves some stops and starts. So be ready to hit pause from time to time during the video as we work together. Alrighty, let's take a look at this chart. The first section is called Where Am I At? And in this section of the chart, you take a little bit of an inventory. First question, I slept how many hours last night? In a moment, you'll hit pause, and everyone in your group will take a moment to share out how much they slept tonight or when they went to sleep. Pause here. Okay, next question. What have I eaten or drank today? In a moment, you'll hit pause, and each person will share out what they have had for sustenance, food or drink today. Hit pause. Now, question, have I gone outside and have I moved my body? Hit pause and share your responses for yourself. Pause. Next, take a nice breath. In fact, take a half a minute to do any kind of stretching or breathing or other things you like to do to just get a calm moment. Now we'll move to the next section of the chart. This section is called What's Going On in My World? Take a minute to tell people in your group what's going on in your world today. What's happening? Pause here. Now we're going to rate our energy tank, just like a gas tank, empty to full. Where is your tank today? I think mine's about here. Take a moment to share where your tank is. Pause here. And in the last part of this section, we're going to do an engine check. Your engine is how are things running for you and your body and mind today. Cars have an engine light, and lots of other machines do too. So take a moment, check, is your engine light on? Is everything working okay for you? And share with your friends. Pause here. Our next step is a body check-in. Remember how we talked about calming different parts of our body? Now we're going to check in with different parts of our body. So take a moment and think through this with me. Check out your eyes. How do they feel? Check out your chest and lungs. Any tension there? Check out your heart. Is your heart tight, warm, hurting? Check out your hands. How do they feel? Check out your stomach. And even check out your legs. Are there any parts of your body where you're carrying some tension? What do you notice? Let's sit with that for just a minute, and then you can share your thoughts. Hit pause. So we've just taken a personal inventory. We've checked what's going in our lives, what some of our physical needs are, and what our parts of our body are feeling. This is pretty interesting. Check if you need any calming. Calming can help you feel better if you've got a lot going on. And now let's make the connection with emotions. Our next step is to take a look at which emotions are coming up for you. Now, this is an example of a feelings wheel that many of you have seen in different forms. Your teachers have a copy of a feelings wheel that they can share with you right now, and you can look at and find a feeling or two that you're experiencing this morning. As you do that, your teachers will decide if you're going to talk in a group or talk with a partner and share one or two of those feelings and tell a little bit about what that means. For example, if I picked curious, I'm feeling curious, I might say that I'm curious about what the experiments are going to be like that we're going to see in the gym today. So share a little bit with a partner or your group. Pause the video here. And now we're going to close our assembly with the last part. What is my body telling me? What do I need? And how can I care for myself today? So now it's time to reflect for a moment and think, what did you learn about your day this morning, how you're feeling, and what your body needs? And make a little plan for yourself. Take a moment to do that in your group or with a partner. And after that, have a wonderful Wednesday.